Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2024 gaming laptop. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 2024 is a gaming laptop that combines cutting-edge technology, stylish design, and exceptional performance to cater to gamers and power users. It strikes an excellent balance between affordability and high-end features, making it a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a competitive edge. The 16-inch FHD 165Hz display is a highlight of this machine. With a 16:10 aspect ratio, it offers a more immersive gaming experience and better vertical space for multitasking. The 165Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals during fast-paced action games, while the full HD resolution delivers crisp and vibrant graphics, whether you're gaming or watching media. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13650HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, the ROG Strix G16 is built for high performance. The laptop handles demanding games and intensive tasks like video editing, rendering, and streaming with ease. The 16GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD ensure fast load times, responsive multitasking, and ample storage for your game library and media files. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or running resource-intensive applications, this laptop delivers consistently strong performance. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E ensures blazing fast internet speeds and reduced latency for online gaming and streaming. Windows 11 enhances productivity and gaming with its modern interface and gaming-specific optimizations. The laptop also offers a comprehensive range of I/O ports, making it easy to connect peripherals, external monitors, or storage devices. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is designed to impress, with its sleek chassis and iconic ROG branding. It's lightweight enough to be portable without compromising on durability. The RGB-lit keyboard adds a customizable aesthetic touch, making it a treat for gamers who enjoy personalizing their setup. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 2024 is a well-rounded gaming laptop that delivers exceptional value. Its combination of a high refresh rate display, powerful hardware, and thoughtful design make it an ideal choice for gamers, streamers, and creators. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.